What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add travelers to your booking.com account. So you can add basically a second person to your account, and these people you can just basically have them set up there on your account as a second traveler. So how do you add those travelers? Just simply click your profile on the upper right hand side, go to my account, and under the section where it says manage account, you'll have other travelers. Simply click on that and you'll be able to add travelers. You can add and edit info about people you're traveling with. So just simply click and add a new traveler. You can fill out their name, last name, their date of birth, add their gender, confirm, and just basically save. So I'm going to quickly make up something here. So last name, I'm going to just say to just make up something here. As you can see, I'm going to make up some date of birth here as well. So let's say 19, let's say 90. Example, gender, I'm gonna just say male again, and basically I confirm and click on save. And you can see that it quickly add the details right here, and you can add more travelers as well. But that's how you go ahead and add a traveler to your booking.com account, guys. Very easy and very simple.